Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to go over my winterization process. I'm going to start with the Cobra here, and as I go I'll explain all my steps and why I do them. So step number one, let's start with an oil change, and we'll go from there. Okay, so obviously the car is down now, but I really haven't driven it in a few weeks. So at this point, it's important that I start it, get it up to operating temperature. That's going to heat the oil, make it a little bit thinner, and therefore I'm going to flush out more oil versus if it was cold and thick. So let's get this car started and warmed up. Okay, so the car's at full operating temperature. It's been running for about 15 minutes. So I'm just going to jump in and rev it up lightly. You see some condensation in the tailpipe, so I'm just going to want to blow out whatever's in there, and then I'm going to shut the motor off. Okay, so Cobra's gone back up again. I'm going to start the oil change process, but now that the garage door is down and we're sealed, I've kicked my little garage heater on so I can work a little bit more comfortably and get rid of this vest here. So I'm going to attack the oil change right now while everything's nice and hot. Okay, so before you put your filter back on, I was just off camera filling it up. You want to fill it up as much as possible. Yes, you're going to lose some oil when you tilt it to screw it in quickly, and you also want to make sure that the rubber seal is lubricated with oil as well. Two little important steps that you shouldn't skip. So new oil's been added. I know the car takes 6.75 liters every time, so I usually fill it to 6 liters, run it for 2 minutes, which I've already done, and then I top it up with the remaining quart. So I'm sitting at exactly 6.75 liters, and she's topped right up. So that's it. That's going to be it for today. I did have some interruptions during the oil change, and so I got to pull away, but I'll split the video up into part one of the winterization process, and then part two will be other things that I do to the car. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, maybe picked up a few tips, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and again, thanks for watching.